Hi friends, today I'm going to show you one of our latest products, battery powered welder. As you know, in some places where the main electricity power is not convenient, a battery powered welder may be helpful for your welding job. This battery powered welder we call is 370. Its internal built-in 2,400 watt-hour lithium battery pack, and besides, it functions like hot start and arc force including. Now I'm going to turn on this welder and check the front panel and the rear panel. Now the light is on. This is a welding current knob. From this welder you can get max output current at 150. The max electrode you can weld is 3.2 millimeters. And this is the LED light. When you work at night, light will be useful for your welding job or other work. This is a battery power reserve indicator. By pressing this, you will know how much battery levels left. And then let's check the rear panel of 370. This is the power switch of the battery powered welder, and this is the cooling fan. This cooling fan is intelligent designed. It works only when the welder heating, and this is the charging port. And next, we are going to check the welding performance of this welder. We are going to use 2.5 millimeters electrodes and 3.2 millimeter electrodes. Let's see what it can do. Now we are going to check the welding performance of this battery powered welder. Today we are going to use two types of the electrodes. One is 2.5 millimeters. Another is 3.2 millimeters. For 2.5 millimeters electrodes, it can weld up to 85 pieces, and for 3.2 millimeters electrodes, it can weld 41 pieces. And now let's try it. First, I need to adjust the current at 120 amperes. This will be suitable for 2.5 millimeters electrode. This is the welding performance of the 2.5 millimeters electrode. Then we are going to try 3.2 millimeters electrodes on this battery welder. First, I need to adjust the welding current knob to 150 amperes. And then I install this 3.2 millimeters electrodes, and we try. And this is the welding performance of 3.2 millimeters electrodes on this battery-powered welder. Just now we finished both electrodes welding on this battery-powered welder. As you can see from the video, both electrodes weld perfectly and the spark is beautiful. If you are interested in this type of battery-powered welder, we are glad to offer you sample for testing, and if possible, we are glad to expand market together with you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.